ओम मायाकल्पितमातृतामुखमृषा द्वैतप्रपञ्चाश्रयः सत्यज्ञानसुखात्मकश्रुतिशिखोत्थाखण्डधीगोचरः मिथ्याबन्धविदूननेन परमा नन्दैकतानात्मकम् मोक्षं प्राप्त इव स्वयं विजयते विष्णुर्विकल्पोज्झितः शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। In Advaita Siddhi, page number 423 is where Purvapaksha said, Nanu yavad upapadakam tat sarvam arthapattir vishayah, natu yatkinchit upapadakam. So this Purvapaksha up to third line in 424 is Purvapaksha. So that Purvapaksha, what he is trying to say was, Upapadaka Shabda you should remember. Upapadaka is Ratri Bhojanam. Upapadya is Pinatvam. He is using Arthapatti. When we say Arthapatti, okay, Anumanam, Parvato Vanniman, Dhumat. If somebody will ask, what is the Vishaya of Anumanam? What will you say? Vanni. Vanni Jnanam is the Vishaya of Anumanam. Like Pratyaksha Jnana Vishaya will be Pratyaksha Vishaya. If it is Ghata Jnanam, Vishaya will be Ghata. Pata Jnanam, Vishaya will be Pata. In Anumana, whatever is the Sadhya is called the Vishaya of Anumana. Anumana Jnana, Anumiti has that Sadhya as the Vishaya. In Arthapatti, what is the Vishaya? Upapadaka. Upapadaka. Because Upapadya you already know. So he says, Yavad Upapadakam tat sarvam arthapattir vishaya. Arthapattehe vishaya. Vishaya of Arthapatti. He says, everything that is Upapadaka is Arthapatti Vishaya, not Yatkinchit. How? So then he explained that one Arthapatti, if it does not have Itarasmad Bheda Abhava, Arthapattehe Itarasmad Bheda Abhave, Arthapattehe Itarasmad, any other Itara Jnanam. Arthapatti is a Jnanam. Any other Jnanam, with that, if there is no Bheda, Bheda Abhava. Bheda Abhava means Abheda. There where Bheda Abhava is there Abheda Shruti will come, it will have Labdha Avakasha, it will remove all the Bheda, including the Ghata Pata Pratyaksha Bheda. If Ghata Pata Pratyaksha Bheda becomes Asiddha, then घटपट भेद असिद्ध्या असिद्ध्यापत्तेः अर्थापत्ति भेदस्यापि घटपट भेद उपपादकत्वेन अर्थापत्ति भेद अर्थापत्ति ज्ञान भेद घटपट भेद उपपादक, so that अर्थापत्ति भेद is घटपट भेद उपपादकत्वेन अर्थापत्ति विषयत्वं वाच्यम्, then it will become अर्थापत्ति विषयत्वम्. If you don't say that, Purvapakshi is saying अन्यथा दृग्दृश्य संबंधानुपपत्तिर ज्ञान निवर्त्यत्वानुपपत्तिश्च स्व मिथ्यात्व विषया न स्यात्. दृग्दृश्य so दृग्दृश्य संबंध when we say Drishya becoming Vishaya of Drik is called Drik Drishya Sambandha. We have already seen this in earlier topic. Drishya becoming Vishaya of Drik, Drashta. Drishyatva is Mithyatva व्याप्य. दृश्यत्व is मिथ्यात्व व्याप्य, means यत्र यत्र दृश्यत्वं तत्र तत्र मिथ्यात्व. दृश्यत्व सिद्धि happens because I know it, I have it. I know ghata pata, they are becoming drishya. Because it has drishyatva, therefore the दृश्यत्व व्याप्य मिथ्यात्व in prapancha will come. रात्रि भोजनम विना पीनत्वम अनुपपन्न. प्रपंच मिथ्यात्वम विना दृग्दृश्य संबंधो अनुपपन्नः. प्रपंच मिथ्यात्वम विना दृग्दृश्य संबंध is अनुपपन्न. दृग्दृश्य संबंध is there, I experience it. Therefore prapancha is mithya. So Purvapakshi is saying arthapatti and all these other jnanam, pratyaksha jnanam, advaita jnanam, etc. Between these jnanam, there is bheda. If you don't accept this bheda, then you will also have the mithyatva or drugdrishya sambandha anupapatti. Because drugdrishya sambandha requires that drishya is mithya and this arthapatti is also mithya. The arthapatti that प्रपंचस्य मिथ्यात्वं विना दृग्दृश्य संबंध अनुपपन्नः. So this bheda Siddhanti doesn't accept that prapancha mithyatva and this jnanam that establishes prapancha mithyatva, both are mithya. Means prapancha is also mithya, and this jnanam, which is also part of prapancha, is also mithya. So, according to Siddhanti, this arthapatti or drigdrishya sambandha anupapatya mithyatvam anupapannam. If drigdrishya sambandha is not there, mithyatva would not be there. Or no, if the mithyatva was not there, drigdrishya sambandha would not be there. Drigdrishya sambandha is there, therefore mithyatva is there. This is how Siddhanti will explain. So here Purvapaksha says, अन्यथा दृग्दृश्य संबंध अनुपपत्ति ही, दृग्दृश्य संबंध अनुपपत्ति will happen, and ज्ञान निवर्त्यत्व अनुपपत्तिश्च स्व मिथ्यात्व विषया न स्यात्. They will not make themselves as mithya. They have to not only make prapancha mithya, that jnana also has to become mithya. In the same way, jnana nivartyatva will be there only when prapancha is mithya. Prapanchasya mithyatvam vina jnana nivartyatvam anupapannam. If prapancha is not mithya, jnana nivartyatva would not be there. But jnana nivartyatva is there. Therefore, prapancha is mithya. So this arthapatti also, swanishtha vishaya, it will make prapancha mithya and it will make its own self also mithya, arthapatti also mithya. It would not happen if the arthapatti nishtha, according to Purvapaksha, arthapatti talks about arthapatti advaita jnana bheda also. Ghatapata bheda, in the same way, arthapatti, we discussed this last time, arthapatti and advaita. Arthapatti advaita jnana bheda is also revealed by that arthapatti. So, according to Siddhanti, this anupapatti establishes prapancha mithyatva, swamithyatva. Purvapakshi says, arthapatti also does ghatapata mithyatva, whatever is the vishaya. Along with that, it will do advaita jnana and swa bheda also. Not ghatapata mithyatva, ghatapata bheda. Ghatapata bheda and arthapatti advaita jnana bheda. If you don't accept Purvapakshi saying, then Siddhanti will have Dvaitam, because you say prapancha is mithya, but that jnanam which does prapancha mithyatva siddhi, that will become satya. So this is the problem Siddhanti will have to face. Further he said, Sarvam khalvidam brahma neha nana iti brahmani bheda matra nisheda anupapattischa swabheda vishaya nasyat. Sarvam khalvidam brahma, it says everything is Brahma, this jnanam, Sarvam khalvidam Brahma, this jnanam is also Brahma. So, there is no bheda, bheda matra nisheda. In the same way, neha nanasti kinchana, so there is no other nana in Brahma. This jnanam is also not different from Brahma. So, bheda matra nisheda is there. This would not happen. भेद मात्र निषेधानुपपत्तिश्च स्वाभेद विषया न स्यात् तथा च तत्रापि श्रुत्यंतरम. So there you would need shrutyantara, arthapatyantaram, va vajya. That will cause anavastha. You will also have tava api anavastha patti. So now Siddhanti says, maivam vochaha. No, don't say like that. Vastutah upapadakatvam na arthapatti vishayatve tantram. Tantram means hetu. Prayojakam, other word. So yatra yatra upapadakatvam tatra tatra arthapatti vishayatvam is not the vyapti. Siddhanti is saying now. Then upapadakatvena jnatatvam. So yatra yatra upapadakatvena jnatatvam tatra tatra arthapatti vishayatvam. Now arthapatti vishayatvam. So you have to remember arthapatti vishayatva is ratri bhojana. Upapadaka is
Ratri Bhojana.
Ratri Bhojana. So yatra yatra upapadakatvam tatra tatra arthapatti vishayatvam. Siddhanti saying this is not how the vyapti is. Upapadakatvena jnatam, it should become known. That is arthapatti vishaya. Why he says? To make sure that the arthapatti is prama. Arthapatti is not a brahma. Anyatha arthapatti brahma anupapatti hai. If you don't do this kind of vyapti, yatra yatra upapadakatvena jnatatvam, tatra tatra arthapatti vishayatvam, then all arthapatti will become prama only. Because any arthapatti will have some upapadaka siddhi. So, if one upapadya or two upapadya are doing 5 upapadaka siddhi, let us say, all those upapadaka siddhi will happen through one arthapatti. This is what Purvapakshi is suggesting. Siddhanti says, upapadaka siddhi, upapadaka matra siddhi is not the niyama. Upapadakatvena jnatam, that siddhi will happen through arthapatti. So a particular arthapatti will do siddhi only when a thing is upapadakatvena jnatam. So something is upapadaka, but if it is not upapadakatvena jnata, then that arthapatti will not do its siddhi. If you want to take drishtanta, Pinatva and Ratri Bhojana, you can take that example. If somebody is, I had mentioned last time, somebody is eating during the day and is fat. And now I am trying to do arthapatti. Because he is fat, therefore he is eating at night. Eating at night is Vastutaha, it is upapadaka, but upapadakatvena, its jnanam is not going to happen. because this Arthapatti cannot do Siddhi of Ratri Bhojanam, since Diva Bhojanam is also there. This is, and therefore that Arthapatti will not produce Prama. It is a Bhranti. So then, what is it that Siddhanti accomplishes by adding this Upapadakatvena Jnatam? So Arthapatti Jnanam and Advaita Jnanam, that is the Bheda between two is Upapadaka. But at the time of Arthapatti Jnana, Advaita Jnana Bheda is not known. And that Arthapatti Jnanam, to illumine that, according to Purvapakshi, you need another Jnana, like Anuvyavasaya Jnanam. Or he has to accept, like Prabhakara, Arthapatti Jnanam itself should be Swayam Prakasha. So if he is not Prabhakara, he will need another Jnana, means another Arthapatti. This Arthapatti is different from Advaita Jnanam. For this Jnanam, I will need another Arthapatti. The moment you accept that, there is Anavastha. So, to avoid that, he will say, this Bheda between Arthapatti and Advaita Jnanam is Asiddha. He will not say it is not there. The moment that Bheda is Asiddha, it means it is not known. It is Ajnata. So, yatra yatra upapadakatvena jnatatvam tatra tatra arthapatti vishayatvam, this vyapti is not there now. Because upapadakatvena jnanam is not there. Whenever I do not know bheda with something, or I cannot establish bheda with something, that is where abheda will get the opportunity. Labdhavakasha shruti. Then he will explain, it's not that how we think, that here the Advaita Shruti got avakasha, then it will start removing all the bheda. Actually, there are no bheda here. Paramarthika bheda is not there. So somebody will say, I accept that there is no paramarthika bheda. If you accept that there is no paramarthika bheda, then bheda is vyavaharika. Vyavaharika is mithya. So if you are ready to accept that what is in vyavahara is not real, then it is over. Then you are just like Vedantin. But if you insist that no, what is in vyavahara is satyam, this person is different, that person is different, that person is different, then you are bound to get bheda jnanam only. That bheda jnanam is shruti virodhi. So now you will have to prove bheda is satyam. For that you will use pratyaksha, you will use arthapatti. But somewhere that bheda is not available. There where bheda is not available, Advaita Shruti will appear. तथा च येन रूपेण उपपादकत्वं गृहीतं तद्रूपावच्छिन्नम् उपपादकम् अर्थापत्तिर्विषयः। येन रूपेण उपपादकत्वं गृहीतम्, in whichever way upapadakatva grahanam jnanam is happening, then tadrupavachinna. So yena rupena means yad dharmena upapadakatvam grihitam. Tadrupavachinna means tad dharmavacchinnam upapadakam arthapattir vishaya. Then tad dharmavachinna upapadakatvam is the vishaya of arthapatti. When we do some avachedaka, that avachedaka will Siddhant, according to Siddhanti, only that aspect of the upapadaka, tad dharmavachinna, only that much is arthapatti vishaya, not everything. And tatra yadi arthapatti gata bheda sadharanam upapadakata avachedakam ekam bhavet tatha sopi bhayadeva na cha evam asti tad anirupana. And if arthapatti gata bheda sadharanam means everywhere the same avachedaka is there. Upapadakata avachedakam ekam bhavet. If there is only one upapadakata avachedaka, then sopi bhayadeva. Bhayat vidiling. Bhadipta dhatu. So sopi bhayadeva. Nacha evam asti. But evam means there is no one upapadakata avachedaka. Upapadakata avachedaka are many. Tad anirupana. One upapadakata avachedaka nirupana you cannot do. How? He explains. Tatha hi. घटपट भिन्नत्वम उपपाद्यम तद उपपादकंच न सर्व भिन्नत्वम. घटपट भिन्नत्वम is उपपाद्य. That upapadakam you cannot be. You just see two things different. You cannot say everything is different. Because the moment you use everything, sarva, swatopi bhedapatya tadasambhavat. In sarva, swa is also there. Swasya swataha bheda will come. This we already saw in Anumana. Napi swatirikta sarva bhinnatvam. You say we will add a visheshana. Swa atirikta sarva bhinnatvam. What was the dosha given in Anumanam if swa atirikta is given? Advaitavadinam prati swatireka visheshana siddhehe. For Advaitavadi, swa atirikta, this visheshana itself is asiddha. Because there is no swa atirikta. Vyartha visheshana prayoga will be there. One. Second, swatva ananugamacha. Swatva anugama will not be there everywhere. So any avachedaka, if you want, you have to find such avachedaka which is anugata. Ananugata avachedaka, like ghatatva avachedaka is anugata in all. So it is worth using. But if there are 5 ghata, but they all look different, or let's say there are 5 things, one is ghata, one is pata, etc. Ghatatva cannot become avachedaka. Then you will have to find dravyatva, whose anugama is there. So arthapatti cannot have swabhinna, swatirikta visheshan cannot be given, and the swatva anugama is not there. So you need avachedaka whose anugama is also there. तथा च तेन तेन रूपेण तत्तद् भिन्नत्वम् एव उपपादकम् उपेयम्. Therefore, तेन तेन रूपेण means तेन तेन धर्मेण तत्तद् भिन्नत्वम्. Ghata is different from pata, vriksha is different from purusha. Different upapadakam. Tattad bhinnatvam is the upapadakam upeyam. Ataha upapadakata avachedaka nanatvat. So now upapadaka avachhedakas are many. Because they are many, therefore, na sarvam upapadakam arthapattir vishaya. Sarvam upapadakam cannot become one arthapatti's vishaya. You will need many arthapattis. Iti prathak prathak anupapatti jnana apekshayam. Anupapatti jnana means arthapatti. You will need prathak prathak arthapatti, each producing different jnana. Then sarvatra anupapatti jnane anavasthanat. Sarvatra anupapatti means arthapatti of all. There is no avasthanam. It is anavastha. Because of that anavastha, how that anavastha will be, so one arthapatti will do upapadaka bheda of one, not sakala upapadaka bheda. Then second arthapatti, another set for upapadaka bheda. So in the same way, arthapatti and advaita jnana, there between them also there is bheda. For that upapadaka siddhi, you will need another arthapatti. Arthapatti, advaita jnanam. There bheda siddhi, you need another arthapatti. This arthapatti and advaita jnana, their abheda siddhi, another arthapatti. This is anavastha. So there where this dhara vishranti is there, tatraiva labdhavakasha shruti. There shruti will get avakasha. Sarvadvaite paryavasyati. There sarvadvaita, it will have paryavasanam. So then what is not possible? Siddhanta is saying this is how it is going to happen. दृष्टान्ते च सर्वत्र स्वसाधारणम उपादाकता अवच्छेदकम एकम एव इति तद अवच्छिन्नतया स्वस्यापि भानम इति वैषम्य. इन दृष्टान्त सर्वत्र स्वसाधारणम उपादाकता अवच्छेदकम. एवरीवेयर उपादाकता अवच्छेदक इज वन. दृश्यत्व. Drishyatva is there, mithyatva will be there. In swa also, in anya also. So tad avacchinnataya swasyapi bhanam. That thing is also included. This is the difference. Tatha hi drishyatva avachinna mithyatvam vina drug sambandhanupapatti grahat. This is a beautiful line for dwelling on it. Drishyatva avachinna mithyatva means Drishyatva vyapya. Avachinna here, you should understand, as vyapya. Mithyatva has drishyatva as its vyapya. Drishyatva avachinna mithyatvam vina. If that was not there, दृक् संबंध अनुपपत्ति. दृक् संबंध is there. Therefore, दृश्यत्वावच्छिन्न मिथ्यात्व is there. अनुपपत्ति ग्रहात् तदवच्छिन्न मिथ्यात्वम अर्थापत्तिर विषय. So that दृश्यत्वावच्छिन्न मिथ्यात्व is अर्थापत्ति विषय. इति स्वमिथ्यात्वम अपि स्वविषय. And this अर्थापत्ति ज्ञानम is also having मिथ्यात्व because it also has दृश्य. एवमेव ज्ञान निवर्त्यत्वानुपपत्ति. This is the second one पूर्व पक्षी had given. ज्ञान निवर्त्यानुपपत्ते है अपि स्वविषयत्वम. It will also work in the same way. So पूर्व पक्षी had said you will need another jnanam, anavastha will happen. It will not happen in our case. In your arthapatti case, it will happen. This next sentence, okay, two sentences are there. तत्रापि दृश्यत्वादेर एकस्येव अवच्छेदकत्वात्. दृश्यत्व इज द वन अवच्छेदक. एवं च ब्रह्मणि सर्वाभेद बोधिकायाः श्रुतेः. This we will see in the next session. Next line, just see. Nahi sarvabhede swabhedapattiriva sarvabhede swabhedo doshaya. This is a beautiful thing. In sarvabheda swabheda apatti is there. But in sarva abheda, swabheda is not, swabheda is not apatti, it is ishtapatti. In bheda, swabheda is problem. In abheda, swa-abheda is bhushanam, not dushanam. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah. Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.